Today, I'll show you how to log in to a Google Ads account. First, open your browser and go to Google Ads. Click Sign in the top right corner. Now enter the email address connected to your Google Ads account. This is usually the same Google account you used when creating the ad account. Click Next. Now enter your password and click Next again. If your account has two-step verification enabled, Google may ask you to confirm the login. You might need to enter a code, approve the sign-in on your phone, or use another verification method connected to your Google account. After verification, Google Ads will open your dashboard. If you manage more than one Google Ads account, you may see an account selection page. Choose the account you want to open. Once inside, you can view campaigns, billing, conversions, keywords, ads, and account settings. If you cannot access the account, make sure you are using the correct email address. You can also ask the account owner or admin to invite you. To do that, they need to open Google Ads, go to Admin, then Access and Security, and add your email address with the correct access level. If you forgot your password, click Forgot Password on the Google sign-in page and follow the recovery steps. If the account is suspended or restricted, Google Ads may show a warning after you log in. In that case, open the notification and follow Google's instructions to fix the issue. And that's it. You've successfully logged into your Google Ads account. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.